Hi, this is Stefania from Tipsographic. In this video, I'm going to do a step-by-step tutorial of my car brand sprint retrospective meeting template. This is one of over 20 free Scrum Retros templates that I offer. Click the link in the description and download them. Let's get started. The documentation sheet contains a short description of this template. Over here, you have a workbook introduction, an explanation of the sheets that come with this template, and some instructions on how you can use this free Agile workbook. The car brand exercise is a simple but productive way for a team to identify problems with fun, without getting too anxious. It allows people to express how they feel about the last sprint via car brand metaphor, avoiding dealing openly with the F word. The main sheet of the template is the retro sheet. It's divided into main parts, a header and a virtual whiteboard. To begin, input your project details into the general information section of the settings sheet, and your retrospective header in the retro sheet should populate automatically. Below, the template has a virtual whiteboard with the three variables scatter plot, corresponding to the clusters of like car brands generated during the brainstorm stage of the retro meeting, namely speed, stability, and safety. From the stickies icons sheet of the template, copy and paste the virtual sticky notes where to input the car brand of choice and select the icons to add your reaction to different ideas. In the avatars sheet, you have two sets of avatars, real life or fantasy ones. The dot voting sheet includes colored sticky dots for dot voting. The workbook is free. It's got a colorblind friendly color scheme and a printable layout. Moreover, it's customizable and fully automated. That's all for this template. If you want to approach Agile project management without breaking the bank, Tipsographic templates for Excel and Google Sheets are the best out there, free. I'll see you in the next one.